Hello traders, welcome. This is our first video on crypto analysis to give fair picture of market and help you in decision making. I'll walk you through some crucial technical analysis for Bitcoin. We'll break down key support and resistance levels, analyze technical indicators like the EMA, MICT, OBV, and RSI, and compare Bitcoin's performance with other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, and Solana. I'll be using detailed snapshots to highlight these insights, so keep watching to understand how to make informed trading decisions. This is only for analysis and educational purpose. Prior investing, do your own research. Here's a Bitcoin's price chart overlaid with the 9-period Exponential Moving Average, EMA, shown in blue. The current price of Bitcoin is around $60,040, slightly above the EMA level of $58,230. This suggests that Bitcoin is holding above a key support level, as the EMA acts as dynamic support during uptrends. Support level, around $58,000 as indicated by the EMA. Resistance level, immediate resistance lies around $61,500. As Bitcoin previously struggled to break this point, traders can use the EMA to gauge short-term trends. If Bitcoin remains above this line, the trend stays bullish, but a break below the EMA could signal a bearish move toward lower levels, such as $55,000. For traders looking to enter long positions, wait for a confirmed bounce from the EMA around $58,000 before entering. Set a stop loss below this support in case the price breaks downward. Next, let's dive into the MICT chart, where we can see that the MICT line, blue, is about to cross above the signal line, orange. This potential bullish crossover is a strong buy signal, but we need to wait for confirmation. The histogram is showing smaller bars, meaning that momentum is gradually shifting toward the upside. Once the crossover happens, we could see a rally past $61,500 resistance. However, if this crossover fails to materialize, it may indicate a false signal, and Bitcoin could remain in a consolidation phase. To minimize risk, wait for the MICT crossover and combine it with other signals, such as a bounce from the EMA, for confirmation. Looking at the on-balance volume, OBV, we see a slow but steady rise, from -1.065 million, indicating that buying pressure is returning to the market. However, it hasn't reached its earlier highs, meaning we need to be cautious. If OBV continues to rise, it's a sign that volume supports price increases. If the OBV stalls, it may indicate that the price rise is not supported by enough buying activity. Monitor OBV closely for confirmation. If price rises without OBV increasing, be cautious, as this divergence could signal an upcoming reversal. Moving on to the RSI, Relative Strength Index, the current reading is 54.46, which is in the neutral zone. This suggests that Bitcoin is neither overbought nor oversold, giving it room to move in either direction. RSI near 70, if Bitcoin continues its upward momentum, and the RSI approaches 70, it will indicate that Bitcoin is entering overbought territory, where a correction might be due. RSI near 30, conversely, if we see a drop toward 30, this suggests oversold conditions, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Use the RSI in combination with other indicators, like the MICT and EMA, to confirm entry or exit points. Now, let's take a look at the simple moving average, SMA, specifically the 7-period SMA. The SMA, plotted in blue, is aligning closely with the EMA, showing that $58,000 is a critical support zone. Support level, $58,000, where the SMA and EMA converge. Resistance levels, immediate resistance at $61,500, followed by $64,000. If Bitcoin can stay above these moving averages, it could signal further upward movement. However, a break below this convergence zone may lead to a retest of lower support levels like $55,000. For short-term traders, consider buying at support levels and selling near resistance, especially if price continues to bounce between $58,000 and $61,500. As we analyze Bitcoin's movements, it's also essential to compare it with other major cryptocurrencies for risk mitigation. Here's a quick look. Ethereum, ETH, currently lagging slightly behind Bitcoin but still growing at 6% in the last week. ETH has strong resistance at $2,000. Binance Coin, BNB is showing strength, with 12% gains in the last week. It is closely tied to Binance exchange activity, making it a strong alternative if Bitcoin stagnates. Cardano, ADA is up 10%, driven by smart contract upgrades, making it a great option for portfolio diversification. Solana, Sol is performing on par with Bitcoin, but with more volatility. Its gains of 8–10% reflect its potential for high returns but also higher risk. Consider diversifying your portfolio across these assets for better risk management. A good split might be 50% Bitcoin, 20% Ethereum, 15% Binance Coin, and 15% Cardano, Solana. In conclusion, Bitcoin is at a pivotal moment, with strong support at $58,000 and resistance at $61,500. The next few days could define its short-term trend. Keep an eye on the MICT crossover, OBV volume, and RSI levels to make informed decisions. Remember, trading carries risks. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research. It's essential to diversify your portfolio.